Okay, this is Laredo, and then today I can arrive in Corpus Christi, actually Mustang Island, and then I can see the ocean and beach. I think it would be 4 hours ride, 180 miles, something like this. Okay, this is Texas, and then near Gulf Coast, and then pretty hot but very humid. Actually, temperature itself is not as hot as even New Mexico I come from, but the humidity is very high. So it feels very, uncomfortable and feel harder. And then this road, if you go, for that way, and then I think 29 miles away, I can get in Corpus Christi. And from there, just a couple of miles away, there is Mustang Island. That is my destination today. So almost come. So you can see these people are all going to the beach, and they have some water and activity. So a lot of green, different environment from the desert where I now live in. Okay. Actually, I see the water. I think this is sea water. And then I almost come, but problem is that this is like the first time I got some like a heat, small kind of let me see. Here, because I don't know, I hit by a small maybe pebble or something like this. I pretty surprised this one. So other than that, it's okay. Now a little bit tired, so I have to be safe a little bit. The end of the driving side. Okay. This is Great Ocean. I came to the. I've just come to the coast, and I start my touring from the desert, New Mexico, and then I eventually come to the Gulf Coast of the Texas. So a little bit more, couple of miles away, and then almost done. Today's touring is almost done. I'm crossing a kind of bridge. Yeah, and then that is island, so you can see ocean here, and then sea here. So this is kind of bridge, and then over there. Island. I don't remember the name of the island. And then, yeah, let's go.